Good morning. So this is a quick video on how to copy problems into your homework, which is really a video about how to copy a numbered list and things that you can do with it in Google Docs. So on the left, we have some homework problems, 55 to 58. I copy them. I'm going to use Control-C to copy. Some of you right-click and hit Edit. Control-C is a great shortcut. I'm going to come over to my new doc here where I want to put them. And I'm going to hit Control and the letter V like Victor to paste it. If you don't know, that's another great shortcut. Now there's a little problem because the numbering restarted at 1 and I want the numbers to start at 55. You want to do that so that I know which problem you've done. I select number 1. I'm going to right click. When I right click, I have an option to restart numbering. I select that. I'm going to start at 55, hit enter, and my list all have the right numbers. If you're copying and pasting and doing your homework in a Google Doc, that's a really handy thing to know, especially if you're making lists like this. There's another way you can do it, because there's usually more than one way to do something. I could also select my list, go to the Format menu, go to Bullets and Numbering, and here I get a lot of other options. List options. If I don't want numbers, I could make my list start with different shaped bullets or different letters. But right now, I'm just showing you here is Restart Numbering. By the way, I could change it from numbers to bullets or the other way around. Restart Numbering, I'll say 60 just to change the number. And my list is reordered again. Just to show you one of those other tricks while we're here, list options, A. And because the number was so high, it started with triple H, triple I, triple J. Probably you're not going to do that. I'll undo that and go back.